Welcome back to Ramson Mathematics classes. I am Jitendra Kumar from Rath Hamirpur, UP. Today I will discuss the very important topic in ordinary differential equation, that is linear differential equation with constant coefficient. What? Linear differential equation with constant coefficient. It is very useful in many classes, MSc, BSc, GATE, NAT JRF, etc. So let us start the introduction of linear differential equation with constant coefficient. So general form, so what? General form of linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Okay. So what is the general form? So general form is nothing but d over y dxn plus a1 dn minus 1 y upon over dxn minus 1 plus a2 dn minus 2 upon y dxn minus 2 and dot here a n into y is equal to q, which is a function of x only. Or some author write here this x, this means also a function of x only, where a1, a2, an are constant, because in general form of linear differential equation with constant coefficient, I mean form is also saying that with constant coefficient, I mean coefficients are constant. So अब मैं आपको ये बताऊंगा कि इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए अब क्या करेंगे. लेट अस एज्यूम दैट कि dy over dx, let d and d2 over dx2 this d square and so on. So here dn into y plus a1 dn minus 1 y plus a2 dn minus 2 y and so on. Here an y is equal to x. Let take common dn plus a1 dn minus 1 plus a2 dn minus 2 and so on an, and take y as common is equal to x. This whole expression, assume that this whole expression known as f of d, I mean function of d, ये हमारा फंक्शन है d का, into y is equal to x. And next one is what? So this is a now solution if there arise the two cases, otherwise the solution of this type of equation is CF plus PI. If CF plus PY, let me write here if x is 0, that means f dy is equal to 0. So solution only CF. Or if x is non-zero, then solution is CF plus PY. So this is our introduction. Let me write here, if this is a FD is nothing but a polynomial in D, let me write here FD, let me dn plus a1 dn minus 1 and so on, an, here this y is equal to x. If x is 0, if x is 0, so this and x is 0, and now to obtain auxiliary equation, auxiliary equation, so put d is equal to m and y is equal to 1, so what, m n a1 n minus 1 and so on, an is equal to 0. अब here we get, this is a polynomial in the term of m and degree, so this have n roots, or we assume that this n root are different. We assume that this n roots are different, so let me write here, if one of the root, if m1 m2 and so on mn are distinct root, so CF, that is solution is C1 e to the power m1x, C2 e to the power m2x and so on, Cn e to the power mn into x. So this is our equation, this is our solution. If these roots are real, so solution is becomes C1 plus xC2 x square C3 and so on, xn minus 1 Cn, this e to the power mx, because all roots are equal and equal to what, m. So this solution become this types. Let the another terminology or another concept, if these roots, if hello, yes, if these roots are complex, I mean this form alpha plus iota beta plus minus iota beta, if these roots are in this form, so solution is y e to the power alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x in this form, or this solution is also right in this form e to the power alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 this, and also this solution is also right c1 cos, here let me write here sin beta x plus c2. If this solution, this roots are repeated, अगर ये repeat कर जाए, I mean second roots भी हमारा क्या हो, let me again write here अगर हमारे पास ए बी सॉल्यूशन हो और ए बी हमारे पास सॉल्यूशन आ जाए, तब इस फॉर्म में हम क्या करेंगे, तो सॉल्यूशन इज व्हाट, ई टू द पावर अल्फा एक्स सी वन प्लस एक्स सी टू कॉस बीटा एक्स प्लस सी थ्री एक्स सी फोर sin beta x. This is our solution. And another case, if alpha plus minus root beta, I mean these roots are presented, so solution is e to the power alpha x c1 cos hyperbolic root beta, here let me write here x, plus c2 sin hyperbolic x root beta. So and also this solution is represented what, c1 cos hyperbolic x root beta plus c2, and this is what, c1 sin hyperbolic x root beta plus c2. So these solutions are represented. If whenever the roots are different, then solution arise also a different function. So जैसा ही आपका रूट्स आता है, इससे अलग कोई रूट्स अलग नहीं आएगा, बिकॉज रियल नंबर आएगा, अदरवाइज आपका कॉम्प्लेक्स होगा, अदरवाइज आपका एब्सर्ड रिजल्ट होगा, एब्सर्ड रूट्स में हमारे फॉर्मूले आएंगे, इस टाइप का बनेगा, इसके अलावा कोई अलग बनना भी नहीं है. लेट मी राइट हियर द एग्जाम्पल्स. So examples is what, so let me write examples. So example is what, d3 over dx3, so let me here write plus 6 d2y plus 11 dy by dx plus 6 y is equal to 0, this equation. So for auxiliary equation, let me write here, d3 is nothing but d3y plus 6 d square y plus 11 dy plus 6 y is equal to 0. So implies put d is equal to m and y is equal to 1 for auxiliary equation. Hello. So put d is equal to m. So what we write, m cube plus 6m square 11m plus 6 is equal to 0. So to solve this equation, so now factorize this 1, 2, 3 and plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. So here all the terms are positive, so the roots are negative. So let me write here m is equal to minus 1. So this minus 1 plus 6 minus 11 plus 6. So what we get, let me write here, so this minus 1, this 6 is, so this becomes 0. So hence we can say m is equal to minus 1 imply is a roots, or m plus 1 is a factor. So if we divide m plus 1 to m cube 6m square 11m plus 6. So let me to create m cube we multiply by m square. So here create m cube plus m square, and to subtract, so negative sign, this will cancel out, and 6 minus 1, so 5m square plus 11m. This is place and have to create a 5m square, so we multiply by 5m. So this 5m square plus 5m, and this subtracted, so this cancel out, and 11 minus 5, so what, 6m plus 6. Now create 6m, so we multiply 6, so 6m plus 6 and minus, so these created, and hence 0. So when we divided by this factor, so we get this. So what will we get here, m square and plus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. To find the roots to equal to 0, and m square plus 2m plus 3m is plus 6 is equal to 0. So take m is common, so m plus 2, here 3 is common, so m plus 2. So m plus 2 and m plus 3 are the roots. So m equal to 0, so m is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. So we get here, after solving the all equations, here we can say the roots, set of roots आएंगे -1, -2, -3. So the solution of this equation, y is equal to c1 e to the power m1 x plus c2 e to the power m2x plus c3 e to the power m3x. So c1 is nothing, e to the m1 is -1, so minus x, c2 e to the power minus 2x, c3 e to the power minus 3x. So this is our solution. Let me write here the another examples. So another example is what? Let me write here the next examples. D square, d power 4, d minus 1, this d minus 1 and d minus 2 into y is equal to 0. This is our equation. This is our equation. Or this form, so I mean what, dq minus 3d square, dq minus 3d square and 2d into y is equal to 0. These two equation are the same, and only क्या डिफरेंस है, सिर्फ इसका लिखने का तरीका डिफरेंस है. यहाँ फैक्टराइज करके दे रखा है, यहाँ फैक्टराइज नहीं है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, डायरेक्टली इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो एक गेट हो जाएगा. मतलब दिस इज वेरी इजी एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो इजी, बट so let me write here dq minus 3d square plus 2d into y. Let me write here q is equal to 0. So for auxiliary equation, we put d is equal to m and y is equal to 1. So here mq minus 3m square plus 2m is equal to 0. So let me write here m is common. So what is m? So let m is common, so here create m square minus 3mm plus 2 is equal to 0. So here m is common, so let me write here 2 when you factorize this. So m square minus 2m minus m plus 2 is equal to 0. So here m is common, so m minus 2, here minus 1 common, so m minus 2 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0, 1 and 2. These are the roots. Then the solution of these roots. Now solution, y is equal to c1 e to the power m1x, c2 e to the power m2x, c3 e to the power m3x. So c1 m1x, m1 is 0, so this becomes 0, so 1 plus c2 e to the power m2, m2 is 1, so here 1, so this x, so c3 e to the power m3, 2x. This is our solution. So let us, अब आपको क्या करना है, इस सॉल्यूशन, इस ऑक्सिलरी, इस रूल्स को, जो रूल्स बताए हैं इनको आपको फॉलो करना है। मैं कुछ आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूँ, उसको आपको सॉल्व करना है। अगर नहीं बनते हैं तो मुझसे पूछ लीजिएगा, कमेंट करके बताना, जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो मैं डिस्कस करूँगा। सो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज डी क्यू प्लस 6d स्क्वायर, डी क्यू प्लस 6d स्क्वायर प्लस 11d प्लस 6 प्लस 6 let this one into y is equal to 0. This second problem is d square plus 2d plus 5 y is equal to 0. Third problem d square plus 2pd plus p square q square, this y is equal to 0. So these are the our 3 problem. आप इसको सॉल्व करिए। अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आती